The Skyline Backpack is a minimalist travel bag defined by its clean lines, lightweight, and secure rear camera access. It will fit a mirrorless or DSLR camera with 3 to 5 lenses up to 70 to 200mm 2.8 or even a compact drone kit, plus a 13-inch laptop, yet it weighs only 1.8 pounds or 0.8 kilos. This is a bag you can comfortably carry all day without it ever weighing you down. The rear camera access means that no one can remove gear from the pack while you are wearing it and walking around. This provides excellent security and peace of mind. It also means that when you take the bag off to remove camera gear, the harness straps stay off the ground so that mud, dirt, and water on the ground don't transfer to your clothes. The harness side also includes a trolley strap so you can slide the pack onto your rolling luggage. The top zipper gives you access to the day pack section, where the bag can fit a jacket, food, or other travel necessities. Around the side, tear-resistant mesh pockets can fit a water bottle and sunglasses. Then there is the front accessory pocket for small items and a larger padded pocket for the laptop and a magazine. Finally, the bag is made from water-repellent fabrics and reliable YKK zippers, so it will withstand years of serious use. If you like to travel, you'll love the Skyline Backpack.